Well, hi there and happy Monday. This is too short of a video for even a fast Friday, but I wanted to put this up here right now for you because I'm getting a lot of questions about this, and it can trip some people up in thinking their camera is not working in video mode. Here's what's going on. Normally the camera comes default set to shoot in 4K, just like this. However, there's a selection down in the video setting called Full HD Movie Output with two choices. If by chance you happen to have it on the one with the line in it for SD card, just like that, but you happen to have your movie mode in 4K, as you can see, it's shooting just fine. See that? Nobody notices a problem, and this can go for months without any issue. However, so now you set your movie mode to shoot in regular HD right here, FHD, which would be 1080. See that? Now if you try and shoot, the camera won't work. Check this out. See that? I'm pressing the button, nothing's happening. No, your camera's not broken. You just need to change that setting back. Here's what you do. Go back into your camera, full HD movie output, set that to FHD, just like that. Now you're good to go. When you press down on the button, there it goes, shooting normally. Well, I certainly hope that that helped some of you out and that you have a great remainder of your Monday. I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. in another video. Take care.